into more of the source. You got to plug in. I hit this. Okay, this is the source. This is you. You got to connect to the source. You got to go up. You got to seek ye the kingdom of God so you can connect to the source, so you can get that power, right? Holy power. It's a connection, guys. It's all a connection. All right? You're not getting the bread from heaven because you're not having faith in God. You don't believe. You got to believe, and you got to seek it, and you got to seek so you shall find it, okay? All right? And this flew on the floor. Watch and pray that you do not enter into temptation. Okay? Enter into temptation. So we're going to clarify what's the enter into temptation. Anything that's tempting you, basically don't let the devil tempt you, okay? Matthew 26:41. Ego. Okay, that's number one. That's what I see. What is these temptations? Being a spiritual hater. Okay. Abuse. Okay, what is some of these temptations, Spirit? Can you clarify, Jesus, watch and pray that you enter not into temptation. Matthew 26:41. Okay? Being nosy. Somebody is being nosy in your business. They so much in your business, they ain't paying attention to their own business. Okay? Maybe also watching different things. Somebody could be watching something. Yeah, they seeking and you shall find. Somebody's seeking, but you seeking the wrong way. Could be seeking some type of knowledge in a different cult or something differently here that is not of God. We got legal issues, okay? This could be the government. This could be the feds. Somebody's watching you. Okay, so God is watching you as well. Yeah, caught a case. Look at that. Somebody caught a case. Now, this could be called a disease, but I think being hooked on drugs, somebody caught a case here with the law. Okay, they was being nosy. What they was trying to see so bad. Could be watching up on the chosen ones. Because of these issues, they've been caught a case. Could be sexual temptation here. Sexual disease.